Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make Singaporean ginger tea. Now, ginger is a very common herb, especially to find in a tea bag, so you'll probably have no trouble locating this ginger tea. You could find it at your local grocery store or a health food store, pretty easy to find. Ginger also has some claims on it of having incredible health benefits when it comes to the digestive tract and calming properties. But before you use it for those purposes, make sure you talk with your healthcare provider. Let's get started. Once you've located your ginger tea, you're then going to take your tea kettle and fill it up with some cold water, either using spring water or out of the tap. You're then going to place your tea kettle on your stove and turn your stove on high, giving time for the water to heat up and to come to a complete boil. Once you've noticed it has come to a complete boil, you can then remove it from your stove. After that, we're going to take our tea bag out of the box and we're going to open it up, removing the tea bag and placing it in our cup. Once we have that in our cup, we're then going to take our boiling water and pour it over top the tea bag. We want to make sure that the tea bag gets fully submersed into the boiling water, giving it an opportunity to diffuse into the water. Now remember, this is an herbal tea, so it's going to need to stay in the water for about a few minutes of time there. You're just going to bob that up and down, allowing the water to go in and out of the tea bag. And then once you've done that a few times, you can let that tea bag sit in the hot water, which is also called steeping. After that tea bag has sat in the water for about 2 to 4 minutes, we can then go ahead and remove it. You can squeeze out some of the excess liquid that's left in the bag before you discarded that bag. Now, ginger obviously is grown all around the world and you can find it anywhere, but what makes Singaporean ginger tea a little different is a lot of times you'll find this tea with some added pepper to it and then sweetened with sugar. So if you are wanting to add a little more spice or flavor to your ginger tea, you want to give it that Singaporean kick, you can then go ahead and add some black pepper to the tea. You could sprinkle some on top, and then you can add some sugar to it to sweeten it up quite a bit, about 2 to 4 teaspoons. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we talked about how to make Singaporean ginger tea. Enjoy.